Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x is given as a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. We show the following statement is true. X's are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so x values are increasing. The y values are 1000, 2000, 4, 8, and 16,000. So these are also increasing. So they are both increasing, so this must be a growth function. So we will go ahead and eliminate the choice A and B. So our answer is either B or D. So let's find the values of A and B. We'll use this data now. F0, a times b to the power of 0 is 1000. So which means a times 1 is 1000. So a is 1000. What about the b? For that, I'm going to use this data. F1, so 1000 times b to the power of 1 is equals to 2000. 1000 times what number gives you 2000? You can think that way, or you can divide both sides by 1000. B will be still 2. So B is 2, which is greater than 1. In that case, our correct answer will be the choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Excuse me. See you next time. Bye-bye.